Okay, so I'm gonna talk about fakes and ratchets. The disqualifications of a ratchet is very, very substantial. You can be, I would tell you how many ratchets there are. Kinds of ratchets, okay? One is the regular ratchet, okay? That means that you are ghetto. I mean, it's okay to be ghetto, but it's not okay to be ghetto. Okay? So, first we have ghetto. The ghetto ratchet. Second. The second one is the disqualified. The disqualified ratchet. That means you up in the club all day, every day, but you ain't got no money or a job. Like Yo Gotti said in his song, you disqualified, shawty. You disqualified. Okay. 3. That means you the fake ratchet. You fake. Just fake. Like you act like you all cool and everything. But yet. Oh, hey, Kailyn. What's up? Yeah, she just texted me. But anyway, so if you fake, you can't sit with me. I'm sorry. You can't sit with us. Just say. The 5th kind of ratchet. Wait, that's just, 4. Sorry. I'm slow. 4. Okay. If you're level 4 ratchet, that means you ratchet. That means that you need to go on somewhere with your funny looking self. Okay? Go on somewhere because you ain't qualified for all of this. Okay? I'm just, I'm slow sometimes. But, okay, so 5. Banji. Okay. Banji. So that means that's the gay term of ratchet. Like, if a gay person calls you Banji, ooh, you ratchet. Okay? You ratchet. Now, I know that song by Shariah J is cool and all, but that means she calling herself ratchet. It's just saying. Yeah, but anyway. Yeah. Kevin Hart is so slow. But turn up, man. But yeah. So I'll talk more about things in life. But I'm gonna talk to y'all about something like next. Cause I'm gonna talk to y'all about my best friend, okay? There's nothing bad about her. I love her and all. Okay? I love her. Okay. Well, that's it about the Ratchet segment, okay? Bye.